Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove green screen using KineMaster. Okay, let's get started. Here I have created a project on my KineMaster and I'm going to add green screen video to this project. So I'm going to go to the layer and then I'm going to select media and I'm going to add green screen video from my download album. Wait guys. Okay, I'm going to add this green screen. All right, and then if we want to remove green screen, we can use chroma feature. Wait, I'm going to zoom in. Wait guys. Okay, and then I'm going to remove the green screen. Right. Okay, tap on your video and then you're going to go to the chroma feature. You can scroll down until you find chroma key feature and enable it. Okay, and now the green screen has been removed from my video and then I'm going to play it to show you the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove green screen using KineMaster. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.